Hello, people. I hope you all are doing great in your life. So, let's talk about Devin AI software. Most of you uh, maybe know about what is it, Devin AI software. Most of you maybe not know what is Devin AI software. So, I'm going to tell you what is Devin AI software. Devin is a software engineer with expertise in various programming languages such as Python, Java, or JavaScript. They likely work on developing and maintaining software applications, focusing on areas such as web development, mobile app development, or system architecture. Their responsibilities may include coding, debugging, testing, and collaborating with other team members to deliver high quality software solutions. So it's a Devin AI software. It's like a human software engineer. When it launched, most of software developer or software engineers demotivate that these types of software will get our jobs. It's maybe uh, 50% or 60% true, because these types of software in incoming years they will develop and they will modify uh, these types of software to do a basic things or maybe intermediate or complex things. So if you have to escape these types of software engineers, you have to level up your skills. You have to learn and learn. You have to learn much more. If you if you are learn something, or if you are learning something, then it's a very good thing. Don't stop your learning just because of these types of software. And it's also a marketing strategy. Okay, so you have to keep learn things what you learn. Like some of people may or might be learning like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. It's a very good thing. Doing thing is always better than doing nothing. Okay, so if you are learning, then keep learning. Don't stop your learning. Okay, in my opinion, uh, about Devin AI software, in incoming years it may get your jobs, or because of AI lots of sector will affect. Not all software engineers you will see in 5 or 10 years. You will see every department will affect these types of software. Okay, so if you are learning, then it's better to keep learning. Just level up your skills. If you have basic understanding, like you have basics of front end development, basics of back end, or basics of full stack development, then there is nothing will happen. Like you can't get a job just because of basic understanding. You have to learn and learn and learn. Okay, so this is my opinion. You can comment on your opinion, what you think about it. Just keep learning and don't do same things I saw lots of student doing same thing, like everyone nowadays doing web development, uh, app development, backend, front end. These are all similar things, but I see lots of student doing same thing. So it's not a good or valid point. We have to uh, explore other options like AI, ML, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and machine learning. These are maybe uh, difficult as compared to web development, but if you want to keep in race, you have to work hard, you have to learn more, you have to go on different paths. I hope you guys all understand. Don't panic, okay? Everything or everyone will get a job on a right time. Just don't panic. Just do one thing, learn, learn, and learn. Keep learning. What you learn, at least learn like if someone asks you a question about it, then you have to answer all of the question that a person asks you. Okay, so these are the things. I hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching this video.